Okay, I bought these a month ago, and yep, this is what happened. It break off the whole thing, because of course you gotta take it out and in of the case to wash it, clean it real good. And yep, I guess it's not strong enough for in and out, screwing it in and out again, take it out, take it in, off, on, off, on. So yeah, it broke. A month old. So I have all these now for nothing. I mean, I guess I have put it on the floor of the cage. That's it. It sucks. So I would not recommend it because it's plastic and it doesn't take the non off the cage good enough. It sucks.
Reasons I've enjoyed a lot, and it's been hard, but it's all been worth it.
Was it everything you wanted, baby girl?
And then some.
Got 50 more years of this.
Prince is super antisocial and hates me. I put a bowl of water out and he never comes to bathe. So I got this in cage bath. He loves it. Loves it.
For the first time in my life, I feel
He
like
just finished jumping in there like
I'm where I'm
6
supposed
times.
to be. I'm happy, and I'm
He's
very
a
glad that I
happy
made this decision
baby. Look
because
at
it
him
was the
jumping
right
in. Go
decision,
ahead.
and I
Go,
feel like we're
Papa.
gonna have a great
Look
life
at
together.
that.
So now that we're married, ready for things.
Good job, Prince.
Absolutely. How many you want?